Everyone, thanks for checking my channel again. Today I'm going to share with you those who have problem with OBS and it's not recording your voice, and for some reason your microphone is on but nothing's recorded or recorded by what you have. So I'm going to show you what the problem I was dealing with, and I tried YouTube and I unfortunately didn't find a solution for it. Finally I played around and one quick fix did the whole job, and I'm going to share with you how I did it. Hopefully that helps. Let's jump into my computer and I'll show you what I did. So this is what happened when I was trying to set up my microphone. As you can see here on audio in source section on that window, if you go down to audio, this is what you're gonna check. Okay, so I would go to audio input, which is the microphone, double click. So you should have your microphone here, which mine is the one I already picked. So, but again, when I had this on, it wasn't working. So what I want to do, you guys should go to setting as well. I want to check a few things before I get to that point. So audio, make sure everything is default, and there shouldn't be many here anyway. Desktop audio default, and second one disabled, and leave the rest as it is. I'm hoping you haven't changed that because that has nothing to do with it. So I want you to go to actually Windows search and search for change system or sounds change system. Change sound system. So this is what you're gonna see. Okay, playback. This is my microphone and headphone. I'm using just the Bluetooth gaming headphones, which acting as both. So on your recording, if you right click on your actually headset in my case and go to configure speech recognition, and the window is popping up with this. This is where you want to make sure you set up your microphone, because for some reason mine wasn't working no matter what I did. So I went here, set up microphone, is choosing what I want, headset, yes, depending on what you have. If you have this external one, you choose based on your configuration, and then you go here where window is going to force and recognize your microphone. So, and then you can get the test here. Okay, so when you testing it, you should see that green bar is moving, and I hope it's working for you. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. So that's how I did it. Before I opened OBS, you want to do this. Make sure your microphone is working, and then continue with OBS. Computer not here because mine is working already, but that's what the problem was. So I hope that video helped you, and that was the problem for me, and if that was your case as well, I hope that helped you. So if you don't mind, please like this video, and if you want more tips and tricks about OBS, you can follow me and subscribe.